Should I progress with data analysis if the source data is poor? Ideally, yes. In many cases, updates in data, data analysis, and data checks occur simultaneously or via a feedback loop. The design of the data model should be such that the main data file is updated automatically when errors are corrected in the source data files or new data is added. In this case, our main data file is animal data analysis. Here, we combine data from 3 source data files, namely animals, countries, and animals in countries. A quick scan of the data, looking for 0 values or odd dates, shows that there is missing data. More careful analysis via data checks may also find incorrect data. Either way, in the interest of time, we analyze the data via pivot tables and data checks and feed back to the stakeholders of the source data files where information needs to be enhanced. The main file in this data set is automatically updated from the source data fields via XLOOKUPs and the equal formula. This is covered in the data insight, How do I determine the correct data link? In the case where there is a static copy and paste from the source data into the main data, the source data has to pass all the data checks first. In summary, commence with the data analysis as soon as possible, even if the source data is not perfect.